What's up, everybody? This is Question Everything as Love. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to go over the harvest for the honeydew and just give you guys a quick update. So the last time that I decided to grow in the bed, this is the raised bed right here, that I decided to grow the honeydew in. And this was actually my first time growing honeydew, and I'm pretty impressed with the way things turned out. So with the honeydew, I decided to put these saucers under them so the bugs and the insects won't eat them up before I get to eat them. So over here as well, we got the saucers, and we decided to grow it in the bed with a trellis. So you see here, I should have been actually using something to support them from hanging all the way down, but I didn't. But they're still okay. There's another one over here that's split in half, and that happens when you get like a drastic watering or rainfall, and we just had heavy rains here a few days ago, so that one split open. But regardless of that, I got at least 25 honeydews out of this harvest, which I'm really excited and happy about. I've already eaten 2, and it was very delicious. So the way that you know that the honeydew is ready and ripe is you make sure, actually I want to go over there to that one, but that one right there is ready. That's good to go. So when the skin is white or yellowish, that's when you know that it's ripe. And also there's a tentacle right here by the vine. So when this one starts drying out, this tentacle right here, that also lets you know that it's ready to be harvested. And that one I'm actually gonna harvest today because that one's good to go. And then in the midst of all this, I have the sweet potatoes over here taking over the bed. And when you guys remember from my last video, I planted all the sweet potatoes in those 2 totes, and now look at them. They're everywhere. Now we even had one honeydew right here. Look at the honeydew right here that actually was growing behind the tote. Pretty amazing. That one looks like it actually doesn't look fully round. It looks like more like an oblate spheroid. But anyhow, yeah, so this is the honeydew. I'm really excited. I'm definitely gonna pick this one today. So let me get up in here. This is the one that I'm gonna be harvesting today. This looks beautiful, don't you guys think? Yeah, look at this. Actually gonna wait. Should we harvest it now? Here we go. Look at this beautiful honeydew. So I'm gonna actually let it cure for a few days. Then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator, let it do its thing. It's gonna be delicious. I want to show you guys something else too. I was experimenting something here with this cantaloupe. So we dropped the seed, an organic cantaloupe seed, in this tote. And look at this baby right here. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. But again, look at all these ants. Ants love cantaloupes, boy. They love the flowers. And when they destroy the flowers, they can't pollinate and make more. So you got to keep the ants out of here. But anyway, we're going to see what that does. And then these were the eggplants that we had in the totes a few months ago. And look how these turned out. I've already harvested off this plant 3 times already. Eggplant parmesan. And then I've been neglecting my okras. Look at this. That's no good. But I should have harvested that sooner. I was slacking. And my white eggplants took off. Their flowers are so pretty. Look how pretty these lavender flowers are. And then we got my ginger and turmeric. These roots are amazing. It's very good for you. And they're growing just fine in these little plastic crates like I told you they would. So yeah, I love the raised bed. It was enough room for the honeydew. I think that if you're gonna grow any type of melon, you definitely should use enough space. I don't think that a tote like that red one would be sufficient for melons because they need way more space than that. But yeah, so that's it for now. I'll give you guys another video when I'm gonna harvest the sweet potatoes because they're really taking over the whole garden. And until then, tune in for the next one. Peace, keep it flat as always. See y'all later.